how to turn off events, changes and updates notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off uh, events, changes and updates notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down and here you will find settings, and then click settings again, notifications, and here you will find events. Click on it and here you will find changes and updates. All you need to do just one click, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.